Okay, on the copper install tool here, you've got the driver it's got a concave end here that goes through, and it peens over the rivet. And then with my kit here, I've got two of these. Just trying to figure out what the difference is. This flat piece goes on the gooseneck mandrel, is very obvious. It's got a flat head that goes vertically like this in the gooseneck mandrel. Okay, that's really obvious. But this other one, there's two of them in here. And if you look at this one, when you put this in here, that goes in there about 3/8 of an inch. So it's not this one. In fact, it even bottoms out. So the proper tool is the one that goes just about flush here. So if you take the driver, which is this, in this diagram is this real long thing that goes through the rack. You tap that with a plastic tip hammer. And the proper tool, if you put this on here, exactly matches the end. So that peens over the head of the rivet right there. So the reason I did this video, there's two parts in the kit with the rivet that look very similar. One's got a longer snout. So obviously this will not work. And this is to install the rivet. This peens it over. And you use a plastic hammer to tap this. That's why they give you some safety glasses, because the top of the rack's at eye level. So if it chips, you're going to ding yourself in the eye. So again, for peening over a copper rivet, this is concave right here. And the part that goes in the rack, this piece is flush.